Did you know that digital signal processing powers everything from smartphones to medical imaging technologies? Imagine mastering the technology that transforms raw data into meaningful insights. Organizations face significant challenges in developing advanced signal processing capabilities. Complex technological frameworks create substantial barriers, limiting data interpretation, increasing operational complexities, and preventing innovative technological solutions. Professionals encounter critical challenges understanding sophisticated signal processing techniques, navigating intricate mathematical and technological frameworks, and developing advanced data transformation strategies. Teams become overwhelmed by the complexity of modern signal processing technologies. This training provides a revolutionary approach to digital signal processing. Participants will master advanced techniques for signal analysis, learning sophisticated strategies for transforming raw data into meaningful technological insights. Organizations will experience transformative benefits: improved data interpretation, enhanced technological capabilities, reduced processing complexities, and increased innovation potential. Leaders will develop the ability to transform signal processing from a technical challenge into a strategic competitive advantage. Participants will gain advanced skills in signal processing technologies, advanced mathematical modeling, and cutting-edge data transformation strategies. They will learn to create technological solutions that maximize data potential and technological innovation. Do not just process signals, revolutionize technological intelligence. Your organization needs professionals who can turn data complexity into strategic opportunity. Enroll now and become a digital signal processing expert.